Welcome to Klocker, your all-in-one HR and operations platform. In this quick setup guide, you'll learn how to configure your employees' salaries, generate their pay slips for the month, and create expense reports on your company's payroll. Let's get started. First, head on to Payroll, then click on Set Salary. Here, the list of your employees will appear, and to edit them, click on the employee ID. Next, you can fill in the details for setting the employee's salary, like the payslip type, the bank to pay to, and how much it is. We understand the many factors that can be in play when compensating an employee, which is why, when you're setting a salary, there are multiple options to guide how the employee is properly compensated, like allowances, loans, overtime, or maybe they are even paid by commission. Next is to add the deductions from your government. And that's it. Your employee salary is now set. To generate your payslips for the month or whenever, head to Payslips, then click on Generate. Your employee's payslip will be automatically generated and ready to send to each employee on their section of the app. You can also pay, edit, or delete the payslip. To see an extensive report on how much your payroll is costing, head to the dashboard, then click on Reports, then click on Payroll. You will see a breakdown of your payroll to employees and filter the report even by a month-to-month basis or yearly. You can see additional payments as well as the reports on your employees' salaries.